Time now 6:52. Welcome back to Daybreak. A celebration of the a cappella sound is coming to Alaska.
And it includes the state's premier all-female group, Alaska Sound Celebration. 70 women from all walks of life singing in the barbershop style. They're taking our stage for Mic Check in the Morning, a preview of this Saturday's Celebrate the Music Fall Festival.
Trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world, wonderful world. I see skies of blue. What a wonderful world, what a wonderful world. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people passing by. I see friends shaking hands, saying, how do you do? They're really saying, I love you. I hear babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than I'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yes, I think to myself, what a wonderful world, our wonderful world.
Alaska Sound Celebration, Director Peggy Benton joining us now. Peggy, we'll get to see the group this Saturday at Celebrate the Music.
Yes.
What's this event all about?
Oh, well, it's our annual fall show, but it's celebrating the music, especially of the youth in the area. So the chorus will be performing, and then we also have a Sing for Scholarship performance as well, where 5 high school singers from around the area will compete for scholarship money. And it's kind of like American Idol, because the audience gets to vote on the winner, which is pretty exciting. And in addition to that, we will have a youth choir of boys and girls as well, singing barbershop. And then we have a special guest as well that I think you might have a clip to.
We do, and it sounds a little something like this, your guest. Take a listen.
No, no, Norman, nobody but you, dear. You know, Norman, yours truly is true, dear. When you accuse me of flirting, baby, I wouldn't, I shouldn't, I love you so. I have
The Love Notes Quartet, another award-winning group.
Yes, they are international champions, actually, and they are an amazing group, as you can tell. They are beautiful. When they sing, it's just gorgeousness that comes out of their mouths, and we're really excited to have them. They're going to be performing on our show, and they're actually working as clinicians as well for the youth choir as well, because it's a lot about youth and harmony on Saturday night, so I hope you can come.
All right, a big night ahead. Celebrate the Music Saturday at the Discovery Theater in Anchorage. 7:30. Tickets are $15. To get them and for more information, you can go to alaskasoundcelebration.org. Ladies, thanks for being here this morning.
Thank you.
Quite the performance. We appreciate it. 6:56 now, 37 degrees. More Daybreak when we come back. Stay with us.